Hello there, it's Ellie here, and welcome to day 2 of our promotions challenge. Now, if you haven't joined in with this already, you might like to start with day 1. I will add a link to the day 1 video just below this one. Okay, so for today's promotion, we're going to be using a site called Leadsleep. Now, this is a very, very active site, and it's one that has been around for a long time, and it also gets me a huge amount of referrals, I have to say. It's a very, very good one. And you can use this site basically to promote anything that you choose to. I will be using it today to promote my Earn $100 in 7 days challenge, but you can obviously use it to promote whichever links you want to. So I'm going to add my referral link below this video if you are not a member already of Leadsleep, and then you will just get to this page and you just click on the Join Free button. So you'll just need to create a username for yourself, add your email address, write in your first name, and create a password. Once you've done that, then just click on the Sign Up Now button, and you will have to, I'm nearly sure you will have to click on a confirmation link in your email address. So do make sure that it's an email that you do have access to. Okay, so once you have actually signed up, then you're just going to log into the site. Okay, now when you log in, you're going to see quite a lot of things going on, and I'm just going to show you, the same as I did yesterday, exactly how to add your link and just to start your promotions. Now there's lots of things here, as you can see, but the part that you're wanting to look for is this Advertise with Us section. And there is like a little link here how it works if you want to actually spend a little bit more time on that. Now, there are 2 different types of promotions on Leadsleep. One of them is called a credit ad, and one of them is called a pro ad. The credit ads are the ones that are free, and the pro ads are the ones that you are available if you have a paid upgrade on the site. So let me show you how to use the credit ad first of all. So we're just clicking here on credit ad, and on this page, as you can see, it tells me here that I have a low credit alert. That just means that all of the credits that I have built up are, have already been used. And you can see here the number of visits that I have had, and the number of visits in the past 7 days has been 76 on this particular ad, just this one. Now I actually have 10 different adverts on this site, although those ones all look the same. They're not actually the same site. But whenever you join up for free, you will have, I think it's either 3 ads or 5. Apologies, I'm not 100% sure. It's a long time since I've had a free account on Leadsleep. I have had a paid account for a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to delete one of my adverts here, and I'm going to add a new advert so I can show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so whenever you want to actually add a new advert to Leadsleep, all you need to do is click on this blue button here, and a little box will appear just below that, and as you can see, this top part here, that's sort of more or less like a preview of your advert. And then there's a box where you have a few lines just to fill in, and it's actually quite easy to do. So let me just talk you through that. So first of all, you're asked for your URL, so the one that you want to promote, and you just paste that then into the URL box. And let me actually just show you first of all the page that I am promoting. Okay, so this is the page. This is my earn $100 in 7 days with a free account capture page, and it just says here, you know, try out our 7-day challenge, and the person needs to click here if they are interested in actually taking part. So let me just go back over to Lead Sleep, and we just need to think about the title next. So I just wanted to show you the page, because it's really important that the title that you use and the description is, you know, something that's related to the actual page that you are promoting. So I'm going to say, let me see, title is earn $100 in 7 days challenge. Now, I just want to highlight here, as you can see, I've actually taken up 29 characters, but there's only 25 available, so I'm going to have to reduce this down a little bit. Well, I suppose I could just take out challenge. What about want to? Nope, that's too many. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it then as earn $100 in 7 days. And the text then, so the text part then, that's your description. So you can add a little bit more detail into this box. As you can see here, you've got 60 characters for this one. So would you like to earn $100 in the next 7 days using a free to join? Oh no. Okay, we'll change that over a bit. Want to earn $100 in the next 7 days with no sign up costs. Okay, so that's perfect. I've got one now that's 58 characters out of 60. So next thing that you need to do then is to add an image. So whenever you have an image ready, then you just click on the add or change image option. Now to add the image here, you can either click on the green button here to upload an image from your device, or if you have copied your image, then you can just literally use the Control and V command to paste it in. So mine is saved to my computer, so let me use this one. Okay, so I have uploaded my image, and as you can see, it fits in the box pretty well. If you do need to adjust the size of the image, if you need to increase the width, then you can use that one. If you need to decrease the width, then it's that one. I could decrease mine slightly if I just click on there, and then you can just move it over a little bit. If you need to increase or decrease the height, then you can use these other ones. I could probably increase the height a little bit just to make it fit better in the box. Okay, so once you are ready and you're happy with your image, then just click on the click on the tick, the green tick here. And there you go. You can see the image has been added to the preview just above. And pretty much that's us nearly ready now. So you just need to choose a category next. And there are several options in the category here. So the one that I'm going to use is the Make Money. So it just depends on what you're actually promoting. You might want to choose some of the other options. And the type of ad that you're going to be adding, the ad that you're adding is a standard ad, unless you're actually writing some kind of a product review, or if it's a blog, or if it's a free giveaway. So most of the time it's going to be the top one, the standard ad. So once you have those little bits filled in, then all you need to do is go to the bottom button here and click on Save and Submit. And as you can see, it comes up and it says, please check that your site is working, especially opt-in forms or videos or navigation, for example. So you will want to make sure that your page is actually showing here, because sometimes I'll be surfing on Leads Leap and the page just isn't showing at all, and it's basically because the person hasn't checked on here. So if your page is there and it's working no problem, then check here or click here that it's working, or if it's something wrong, then just click on this one. So we're saying yes, it is working, and it's just doing another test now. As you can see, it just says just another second. There we go. So it comes up then and it says that the test is okay, and please click here to submit. So once you click on that button, that's it. Your ad has now been submitted to Leads Leap. I don't know if you can see that just above there. There we go. It says your ad has been submitted. And okay. So that's it. The advert is now live on Leads Leap. Okay, so now this is very, very important that you understand this part. Although your advert is now live on Leads Leap, it will not get seen by anybody at all unless you have advertising credits available on your account. This is where one of the big differences between having a free account and a paid account on Leads Leap comes into play. Now, if you are using Leads Leap as a free account, then you will need to actually view other people's adverts on here to add advertising credits to your own account. If you don't do that, then your advert is not going to be seen by anybody else, and you're not going to have any success from your advert. So let me show you right now how to actually add advertising credits. So over at the side here, you can see that there are some other adverts available, and it says earn while you surf links. So we just need to click on any of these adverts to start, and it tells you you're viewing this link. It's going to open the advert in this page here. Now what you can do is you can actually rate the advert here out of 5 stars. So I would say that's a reasonably good advert, so I'm just going to give it a 4 star. Okay, now it says here you have earned 0.1 credit for the rating. So that's one part of the advertising credits that you've earned. That's just the part for rating the advert. So we'll click on OK here. And on Leads Leap, as I said, this is actually a very, very unique site because, let me show you just down here, it says surf and earn for up to 3 minutes and surfing is in progress. So basically, the longer you actually keep this page open, and if you actually, if you're actually using the page, if you sort of read down the page, or if you click on any of the links or that kind of thing, then you're actually going to earn a lot more advertising credits for doing that, rather than trying to view a lot of adverts, as fast as possible. because on Lead Sleep they actually value the fact that people take time and pay attention to the adverts that are being shown on here. And that's one of the main reasons why Lead Sleep gets such a huge number of referrals. And, you know, by advertising on this site, that's why it is so different to a lot of the other sites. Now, you can see down at the bottom here that it says I have had no clicks and today's credits are 0.13. So I've had this page open for a little while. I've been, you know, I've moved it up and down. I might actually click on a few of the links here. So I'm interacting with the actual advert itself. So once I have actually done that, then you can click on the Show More Links option, and it will bring up another list just above here. Now, important, this space is left blank for bot detection, so do not click here. So you want to make sure that you're hitting some of the other adverts. Okay, so it says here I've had one click and I've actually earned 1.13 credits now. Now, if I just jumped forward without interacting with the advert or leaving it open for very long, let's see what happens now. Okay, so it's just gone up by 0.3 credits instead of, for the previous one, we got over 1 credit. So it's, as I said, it's important that you know that the more you actually interact with that page, with that advert, the more advertising credits you are going to actually earn. And whenever you're actually rating the advert, that's just like a little bonus. That's a 0.1 credit. It's just like a little bonus for doing the rating. The main part of the credits that you earn is for interacting with the actual adverts themselves. Okay, so once you've started doing that, then you can literally just keep going, show more links, click on the next advert, and your advertising credits are going to keep increasing. Now on Lead Sleep, if you actually click on 10 adverts or more, then you will actually earn some cash into your advertising account for doing that as well. So it is definitely worth spending a bit of time on here. And as I said, the more advertising credits you build up, the more adverts that you view, the better, because the more responses then you are going to get from your own advert. Okay, so hopefully that has made sense to you. If if something's not clear, then do please let me know below this video, and I will certainly answer any questions that you have about Lead Sleep. Okay, so that's all from me for now for this second day of our promotion challenge, and of course I'm going to be adding another video to the promotions challenge for tomorrow. So in the meantime, happy promoting and good luck. I hope you do get a lot of response, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Take care now. Bye.